We're finding the vertex, focus, directrix, and axis of symmetry of the parabola x plus 3 squared equals y minus 4. So this is going to be the vertical parabola. How do we know that? Look at the variable that will be squared. We're going to end up getting x squared. So anytime you get x squared, that's going to be the vertical parabola. Okay, so I am going to borrow these information, and these are the formulas that we will need, and I'll copy it down here. Let's find one thing at a time. Okay, so first of all, the vertex. Vertex is going to be hk, h being the number being subtracted from x, which is -3, and k being the other number being subtracted from y. So when you see -4 there, you're going to write down the opposite sign of +4. So that is the vertex of this parabola. Next, focus. Okay, you can find the focus by keeping the x-coordinate of the vertex the same, but you now have to add p to what the y-coordinate is. So how do we find p? Now, to find p, you have to look at the side with y minus 4. There should be 4p in front of there, but there's no 4p there, right? It just says nothing. So what must be that hidden number? It's gotta be 1, right? So when you don't really see anything in front of y minus 4, just think that it's the same as 1 times y minus 4, and set that 4p equal to 1. Now, when you solve this for p, all you have to do is divide both sides by 4, and you get p equals 1/4. So p is equal to 1/4. So what we need to do is to find the focus, you will have to add 4 plus 1/4. So this point will be 4 plus 1/4, and that is going to be 17/4. So that p will help us find the other parts. So just keep that. All right, next part is the directrix. So if you want to find the directrix, it's going to be an equation y equals k minus p. Well, k stands for the y-coordinate of the vertex. So that will be 4. And we just found what p is. P is 1/4. Okay? So the directrix equation is going to be 15/4. Finding all these answers. Vertex, focus, and directrix. And what was the last thing they wanted us to find? Did they want us to find the axis of symmetry? Oh, yes, they did. So final answer, the axis of symmetry is always going to be x equals the x-coordinate of the vertex, which is -3. So that is how you can find 4 parts of this special parabola.